Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use flash session. So the first one, you will know what is flash session or data, how to store data in flash session, get data from flash session, delete data from session. So what is flash session? Flash session, it means that it store the data in server side only one request. Okay. So it means that after we refresh another, it will delete automatic, or you can refresh the page and flash data will delete automatically. Okay. So it different from the session. Session you can store many times. Okay, many requests in your server side, and you can access it. You can get it many times. Okay, so now how we use flash session in application work. For example, like you want to know, you have sent email, uh, like for example I send email and then the flash session pop up the message like you have sent email to the customer, or it show the message like when you add data to the database, and then it pop up the message that your data is successfully inserted. Yep. So here is all what we need to use flash session. So now let's go to test and how to store data in flash session. So now I open my projects. Okay, now I'll create one view. So let's go to resource and view, right click on it. So my view is add user .let.php. So it's so put here, this is user information. Save it, and then I create the form for this view. So form, and create input type text and name, username, placeholder, enter user name. Then I copy it, sorry, pass here. So here I put password, and name is user password, placeholder, enter user password, and the last one is email. So email, and here please enter email. Okay, save it, and then I create one button here. My button is add user, and type submit. So we add the action on here, sorry, action. The action I put it blank first, and I will complete it next. That method, the method I use pause method. Okay, and don't forget use the token CFOF token. It is the security method. and you save it. Now you create one route for this you go to route web.php, and here you create route. So you here add user, and the view name is add user. So let's test it. php artisan self, and it again, and we have add user. Okay, that's fine. So here is the form, and when the purpose that I do this, when I just insert add user, it will pop up the message use the flash session to say that user is saved. Okay, so let's go to my project and I create one controller. php artisan makes controller, so my controller name is add user. So enter it. I go to my controller app http controller. Okay, here. So I write one function is mean that function add. Okay, function add is the name, and in here I need to get some information from submit form, so I need to use a request, and request here, and I declare one variable data equals request slash session, and the session flash. Okay, flash session, and you put the key name of flash session, and sorry, in here it's not data. Sorry, it's not. And here we use request slash input user name. It means we get the data from form from here user, and okay, so in this we put data, and then we return the flash session. So flash session user. Okay, now I create one route for this function. We go to web.php and we import controller http app slash http slash controller slash add user. Okay, and then we create route. We use pause method, and here is the URL. So the URL name is add info. So here I use add user, but in this one I change it to user index. Okay, user index here, and open the add user. Okay, when the URL is user, it will run the function in controller. My controller is add user class and run function add user. That's fine. And I copy this. I go to my add user.blade. On the action I put here. Okay, so let me test it. I refresh the page. Maybe something wrong on this. Okay, I change it to user index here. So user index, just enter it and rota password 123, email like rota at gmail something, and click add. Yes. Okay, add user does not exist. Let me check. Add user, so here route post, add user controller, add user. Here we go to function. Okay, my function is add, so I would change here is add. Sorry. Add. Then I refresh again. Go to user index and rota 123 rota at gmail, click add. Okay, you see here is the flash session rota. Okay, so now I want to, when I add this, the message will be pop up in here. Okay, so let me go to here, and it will redirect to user index. Okay, and the user index, and here the user index, and user index is open at user.blade. So in user.blade I use here. So if session user, so ends if, and I use h3 and put some style color like green. Okay, so in here I show the session like session user has been added. Okay, so save it and refresh it again. 1 2 3. I go to the index again. Da 1 2 3 the email that at gmail.com. Click edit. Okay, you can see here is the flash message, the flash session. So it will delete it after you refresh the page. Okay, you can see it deleted, or you create one more refresh, like here's 123 at gmail. Click add user again. Okay, and I want to add another, like df password 123 df at gmail.com. When you click on this, it will delete star. Okay, so click on this. Okay, it will delete, and it happen, it show the dr session. Okay, dr session. So in here is how you understanding about the flash session, and that's all for my presentation. If you have any question, you can comment in my comment box, and we will see you together in the next video. Thank you for watching.